Hi everyone, my name is Georgi and I'm your course lecturer for today. Welcome to the Revenue Driven Experimentation and Testing course from the Growth Syndicate. I'm extremely excited to showcase this course simply because over the past 5 years of my learning curve, where I stepped in as a growth lead within different startups, to then joining a venture capital company, helping its portfolio to grow. But then on the other side, I also grew the digital presence of that company to later then forming three companies on my own. I haven't seen a brilliant course on the topic of B2B experimentation. So far, all of the courses that are positioned within the landscape are focusing on B2C, which makes unrealistic examples from large enterprise companies that has ginormous volume. But what about if you're a startup or working for a scale up, or you're slowly transitioning towards enterprise? Your volume might not be there, your team might not be there, your resources might not be there. So, how can you move really the needle? That is what we're going to address within this course. If you take a look at the agenda, we can see that we'll first dive into a simple introduction towards why experimentation and testing matters. Afterwards, we're going to get our hands dirty by looking at the differences between running experiments and running tests. We're going to also check the prerequisites for growth. This is a very important module. Then we're going to immerse into the experimentation process, where the majority of mistakes when running experiments and tests happen. And lastly, we're going to cover 10 tips for successful experimentation. The objective of this course is to help you identify and prioritize the best growth initiatives with a deep understanding of what matters most for your customers and the revenue driven goals of your company. Ultimately, with this course, I want to help you unlock value for all of your stakeholders. Now, without any further ado, let's dive into the first lesson: why experimentation and testing matters.